One day while I was walking, coding, and wandering casually, something hit me. So, it was this assignment called Gameplay Profiling Analysis, I guess. So, in this assignment, they wanted us to play a game based on our Quantic Gamer type. So, what is this, you may ask? It is just a survey by Quantic Foundry to get your gaming profile. That's all, actually. So based on my profile, I'm a skirmisher. Skirmishers want fast-paced team arenas that are accessible and easy to jump into. They are highly spontaneous gamers who dislike games that require thinking and planning. Like what? I'm just gonna do Minecraft. How not thinking and planning? You sure? I guess yeah, we're a skirmisher or whatever that is. So as a skirmisher, my action score is 72%, my social score is 73%, my mastery score is 59%, my achievement score is 87%, my creativity is 83%, and my immersion is 8%. And as my video game recommendations, it is Mindustry, Satisfactory, Astroneer, like fast-paced games? Really? Yeah, I get it. But with game distance method, we get Minecraft Java Edition, Minecraft Series, Minecraft, and the Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition. So we're definitely gonna play Minecraft. Alright, so after launching Minecraft, I click Multiplayer, Hypixel, and then Skyblock. So now I'm at my beautiful island, and I decided to collect all of my minions, which made me a lot of money, I guess, so let's collect. So after collecting all of my minions, I decided to deposit all of my money to my bank account. We have now successfully deposited 28 million, which is more than enough for me. So now I have decided to go to dungeon and do some floor 4 runs. So instead of playing like a normal human being, I decided to do a solo run as a berserk because I'm a skirmisher. So after checking my dungeon 5 potion, I'm now ready to slam those monsters down. After clearing the first room with no struggle, I was hyped enough to continue finishing the whole dungeon. So after seeing one of the mini-boss, I decided to slam him to the ground too, and continue to my run. So here I managed to get the blood key and open the blood room, which is the qualification room for the boss fight. So if you manage to beat the qualification room, then you're able to go to the boss fight. Instead of going to the qualification room first, I decided to do some puzzles first. So here I'm playing tic-tac-toe, and it was quite easy for me. Totally not using solvers. So after beating the bot quite easily, with of course no cheats and no solvers, I managed to get the extra bonus from the chest and continued solving the rooms to get extra points and extra votes in the end. But of course not the parkour room, because I really do suck at parkours. So after hanging around a while, I come up to this puzzle, which I have no clue on how to solve, but I have solvers. Yay, I guess. So I was able to solve this quite easy too, again, as you can see. So now I'm in a strong mini-boss's room, But it was quite easy for me because I'm much more stronger, because I have a giant sword. Yeah. So after seeing the watch ready message, I was ready to clear the blood room. So it was quite easy because I waited for my sword ability to recharge and waited for all of the monsters to spawn, so I can nearly instantly get them all. So after all of these, I was ready for my boss fight, so I spawned my decoy to attract the bats, which can kill me while I heal, and started slaying some of the monsters that the boss spawned. So after dealing enough damage, I managed to spawn a spirit bear, which will let me damage the boss once every time I kill them. So it both drops and it lets me hit the boss. So after missing this fairly easy shot because of knockback, I decided to equip my baby Yeti pet, which has a turtle helmet that stops the knockback from other enemies. And decided to heal myself with a radiant because my health was low enough. So after finishing this super duper easy boss fight, I decided to collect my treasure and go back to the dungeon hub. So now after collecting the treasure, it was time to go to the dungeon hub. So now I'm at dungeon hub, salvaging the items that I found during the run to gain undead essence, which lets me gain money or upgrade my items. So Hypixel Skyblock has a lot to offer. Like you can fish, you can go to Nether, you can do other stuff, you can trade, and my favorite, you can create a great island. Now, like, there are nearly endless options, and it is a fully multiplayer environment, so it is like an MMORPG. But I just wanted to show the dungeon as a skirmisher. So that's all. I hope you all like it, and take care. See ya.